Hello, welcome you all to the wonderful workshop on research with R. As you all know, we in Haryana Commerce and Management Association are committed to building excellence in the research in the research scholars throughout the world. We are an association of Haryana, but we have a global vision. And when we started with this lofty idea, we organized and we announced the workshop. It's the 8-week workshop. Every Sunday, we got an overwhelming response from everybody. We have more than 200 people who have registered for this workshop, and we have people from 7 different countries. Indeed, you know, the response is overwhelming, response is encouraging, and we are extremely happy to welcome you all to this workshop on R. In this workshop, there will be depth discussion on research methods, excellence into the research work, and I'm sure that work is going to be extremely thankful to be our resource person, and she has really accepted our invitation to take on these sessions for this workshop. And she is really a great saint. She is really a very committed and a devoted intellectual, and she has got a real passion to teach and to learn. In last few years, she has really developed a lot of her understanding of various research methods and various software that are used for research, and her commitment is evident from the enthusiasm with which she has really planned the whole event. We from Haryana Commerce and Management Association welcome Ramani for taking these sessions. And for the participants who are from 7 different countries, we are going to have people from Brunei, we are going to have people from China, we are going to have people from India, we are going to have people from Afghanistan, we are also going to have people from our neighboring countries, we are going to have people from different parts of the world, including Ghana, Kenya, African countries. So many requests was because of the paucity of our resources, we couldn't entertain you all. So now we welcome you all to be a part of this wonderful workshop, which is going to be a path-breaking program of our association. And I'm sure that you're going to enjoy it. In the inaugural, we are going to receive the blessings from Professor S.P. Bansal, who is the Vice Chancellor of Himachal Pradesh Technical University, Hamirpur. And we will have the guests of honors in this. And Neeraj Kaushik has kindly consented to be a part of this workshop particularly during the inaugural session. He will also be with us at different points of the workshop. We are getting the blessings, we are getting the good wishes, we are getting the support from one and all academicians, all researchers from across the globe. And I'm sure that this is going to be an absolutely wonderful experience for all of us. See you all this Sunday onwards for 8 Sundays. Keep these 8 Sundays for us, and I'm sure in the days to come.